I just want to check to see how accurate the plasma cutting job we had today. So I'm gonna situate this right here. This was supposed to be 3.5. Let's see what we get. .14, 3.513. So 3.112. I know 1/32 is 0.03, so it's less than 1/32 of an inch. So I mean, I can play with my plasma cutter a little bit more settings to kerf with. I think that's pretty darn accurate for what I need. You're not supposed. I wouldn't expect a plasma cutter to do much better than that, so I'm good. All right, I think that's good. Let's just see how this turned out. This is also supposed to be 3.5. 3.5 again. Get that out of the way. So the longer your cut is, I mean, the more prone you are to inaccuracies. So look at that. 3.505. So again, I mean, that's darn pretty good, if I say so myself.